no, we are doing too much. Now we have to think of. We are not allowed to grow more only, but sustainably. Has been taught, the present situation that everybody is focusing. So now it is already late to re-envision our economy. Unless we adopt dynamic, locally tailored economic solution, the future of the agriculture production cannot be sustained. So we have a lot of young generation. To make the agriculture system sustainable, don't only follow your ancestors, just listen them, review them, and please look for the future and also the present scenario. This is a really important message I want to deliver here. And another one is really we have another challenge. We have the persistent hidden hunger. Yes, we have very chronic hunger and also the hidden hunger. Chronic hunger means those who doesn't get enough food. Only around 800 million people are not getting enough food. But if you look, there are more than 2 billion people are still have hidden hunger, who has chronic deficiency of iron, zinc, and there are a lot of things. So this is again another challenge, because when Corona taught us how important it is to be immune. So not only to eat full our stomach, we also need to be very strong. The immune. So this is the really challenge for us also, not to only increase productivity, but also to improve the quality. Yeah. So here, and another thing is coming up. Yes, we are increasing. Our variety has increased, but if you look after Green Revolution, most of the varieties which has, you can see the trend, very low iron and zinc concentration of, especially zinc concentration of those. So this is again challenge. No, we need not only the food security but also the nutritional security also. Yeah. So these are the big challenges with us. So recently we have done a very large intensive review of meta-analysis that it has showing that in globally most of the, you can see these are the benchmark, that one is a red line, and most of our wheat variety or varieties are below the threshold. Only in case of zinc, only the 40% of the studies, our genotypes has filling the demand. Still 60% we have very low. And iron, you can imagine only 8% of the iron is filling the demand.